Right guys, we're at the Lincoln Central level crossing in Lincoln with Joe Thorpe. The barrier don't bang anymore for some reason. There we go. Now this is for the 1625 Northern service off to Hull. I heard that from on the station. I've just scurried off down here so I can get it for you guys. Right, here we are on video 1 on Monday the 28th of July 2014. And as you might have heard from Newark to Northgate, today is my birthday. I'm 15. And this is my birthday special. So I might as well just keep the camera this way. I don't know whether we'll get a squeaky outie, because that's usually happens on platform 5, because it's got a big S to go through. Even though I've been on the platform, I don't know what number it is yet, so we'll have to see when it comes on. Here she is. 14413 to Hull. 14413 off to Hull, and there they go. And you guys, I shall see you in the next video.